Well, we're in week 6 of self-isolation, and over a period of time, I seem to have grown a little bit of peach fuzz, and I really miss going to the salon. Can't do that. However, I made a trip to Shoppers and I got myself some Veet wax strips. Now, this is the first time I'm trying these out, so we'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna get rid of these suckers. All right, so stay tuned. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration of how it's done. Now, the box comes with 40 wax strips plus 6 wipes, so you can wipe off the excess wax. So I'm going to take it apart, and both sides of the strip apparently has wax. So I'm going to apply this to my chin. So you have to remember, just press it firmly, and you have to actually tear it the direction your hair grows, okay? So I'm just gonna, you know, take my skin back, and then, woo, there you go. Oh, wow. It took off quite a bit of hair, so I'm gonna just, I know you're not supposed to do it in the same spot. I'm gonna try a different area, and I'm gonna go the opposite direction. Okay, good. All right. I'm going to do it on this side. So remember, when you're applying the wax strip, you always tear the opposite way your hair grows, okay? But you have to like pull back your skin, and voila. All right, so that was easy. Not so bad. We'll see how it goes. So now I'm going to apply the Perfect Finish wipes just to take off the excess oil. It actually smells pretty good. Spring Fresh Clean. Love it. So it's a bit sticky. Oh wow, I love how it's so soft on my skin. Oh, and no oil, no waxy residue either. It really takes the wax right off. Love it. This is really cool. And again, my skin feels so soft and smooth. Wow, this works like a charm. So yes, Veet wax strips, guys, the Easy Gel Wax at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's, I believe, less than $20. It's actually pretty cool. So yeah, no more peach fuzz. Looking good as new. Take care, guys.